2022 proved to be a significant month for the Indian drone industry by some significant steps in defense and agricultural sectors, and also witnessed some major collaborations and funding. Hi everyone, my name is Sasha and you're watching Drone News Express. A final provisional list of 23 PLI beneficiaries was published on 6 July 2022, which includes 12 drone manufacturers and 11 drone component manufacturers. DGCA received the conditional exemption from MOCA for processing the application for authorization of remote pilot training organization with single or multiple locations through emails. Syngenta is among the first companies to get government approval for spraying fungicides using drones to protect paddy crops. In addition, Syngenta India begins India's first drone yatra, which will travel 10,000 kilometers covering 13 states to create awareness on drone spraying among farmers. IG Drones joined hands with IFFCO to start the field trial of Nano Urea liquid spraying using drones with an aim to cover more areas in less time to save time and cost for the farmers. UPL has signed an MOU with Daybest for crop health monitoring and crop spraying by drones for more than 100 stores and locations in India, covering 18 states and 4 lakh acres in the season. Now coming to some news about collaborations and funding. Enduair Air Systems, an IIT Kanpur incubated unmanned aviation technology startup, has raised about 13.5 crores or $1.68 million in seed funding. Tata Steel has signed an MOU with Arav Unmanned Systems, a Bangalore-based startup providing end-to-end drone solutions for effective mine management. Sky Air Mobility signed an agreement with the government of Himachal Pradesh to enable drone delivery within the state. Dronacharya joins with DLE as its latest member with an aim to give wings to Indian skies and bringing in innovation solutions for every industry. Sky Air Mobility has successfully delivered frozen food to cloud kitchen startup Cure Foods via its drone that traveled an aerial distance of 20 kilometers in less than 30 minutes. Karnataka has sought to include drones as a part of its new aerospace and defense policy, as the state government aims to promote investments in emerging technologies in the view of its wider use across sectors. On the 7th and 8th of July, numerous drone startups participated and displayed their product at the first edition of Defense Exhibition at Kolkata East Tech 2022, organized by Eastern Command. Saga Defense Engineering has manufactured India's first human-carrying platform, Pilotless drone Varun, which made its debut in New Delhi in the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The NSG conducted field trials of Indian defense reforms, DOOT MK1, in the last week of July in Camp Manesar in India's northern state of Haryana for security and surveillance purposes. After putting American Predator drone deal on hold, Indian government is now eyeing on Indo-Israeli armed UAV, which is being developed by a private Indian firm in partnership with an Israeli defense manufacturer. HAL will start working very soon on producing 6 airframes to conduct evaluation trials of Tapas BH-201 drone, which will be used for missions by the armed forces. The Defense Ministry has approved the procurement of military equipment and weapons worth rupees 28,000 crores, including swarm drones, to bolster the overall combat prowess of the armed forces. The Karnataka government has prohibited flying of drones within 5-kilometer radius of Kia and other similar vital installations, including Kaiga nuclear power plant in Uttara Kannada district. India Meteorological Department may deploy drones very soon to gather atmospheric data from various locations in place of weather balloons. A subsidiary of Indian engineering giant L&T will develop an eVTOL air taxi jointly with Texas-based aerospace company Jaunt Air Mobility. So friends, with this we come to an end to this month's Drones News Express. To get more updates, follow our Drone Helpline Facebook and LinkedIn page. The link is provided in the description box below. You can always provide us with your views, ideas and feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Do like our video. Do not forget to share and subscribe to our Drone Helpline YouTube channel.